Here we have examples of the passive crossover boards that are used in the Unos, Duos, and MEZZO G3 speakers. A single nature cap capacitor that is used throughout all our passive crossovers, and one complete board of the Trio that features the nature cap capacitors, features the band coil, and the switching unit for the Itron versus passive switching in the dealer models. Just to show you the completeness of it all, this would of course not be necessary in a regular passive crossover. To start here with the passive crossover of Unos and Duos. On this board you can also see a little transformer, a decoupling capacitor, and here in between a capacitor and diode network called a cascode, which altogether taps little bits from the signal for charging this capacitor diode network. We call this the polarization plus biasing of the two capacitors, which makes sure that even the smallest currents, even the smallest voltage changes that go through this frequency divider are transmitted without any additional distortion. And here with the Trio switching crossover, you can also see the relay bank, which then makes sure that in a really safe connection mode, you have ultimate contact safety when switching from active to passive mode, which is not also important for electrical safety with the contacts, but also makes sure that we have the least possible influence on any sound degradation that is possible when you do switching in the music signal. Same also here. You can also see again those little transformers that tap the signal for the polarization plus in our nature cap. And because the polarization plus voltage, the 100 volt, needs to be trapped in between two capacitors so it doesn't leak out to the voice coils of the drivers, all capacitors that come in pairs are to be seen as one.